Yo, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. I'm just down at Ducati Chelmsford today. Now this is only a quick video because we've been looking at the Monster, we've been looking at the Terminoni exhaust on it in the previous videos, and one guy that's bought a bike off us and had the exhaust fitted, he's just come down here to let me have a little ride of it because he's took the baffles out of it. So let's crack on with the video. Right, so here's his Monster. This is Eddie's bike. He's just come down, very nice of him. Said he's come down here to show me it and let me have a go of it. So he's took the baffles out of his Terminoni exhaust, which I think consists of taking out these 4 bolts on each of these exhausts, and then there's a couple of bolts inside there that you take out, slide the baffles out. But I did like the sound of it as it was the Terminoni, but he's just said to me that this sounds awesome with the baffles out of it. So yeah, let's get my gear on and have a little ride of this bike. Alright, let's do this. Right, so there's Eddie talking to Darren. Kindly let me have a go of his bike. Definitely sounds different, don't it? Let's have a look. Just saying he's a little bit paranoid now with the sound, especially around town and stuff. Oh, it's got a nice little pop. Right, let's put it in sport and hear it. Hark at that downshift. So I do love the Monster. Check out my other videos on the Monster because I just think it's brilliant. Fucking hell. Right, I'll tell ya, when I say about going up on the downshift before, you get up to these gears and then this. Hark at that. Right, so first off, the Monster is brilliant standard. When I've done the video with the Terminoni exhaust, which is, it's not really a full system, it's kind of like a half system. Takes out the cat and you know, obviously sounds different, and I thought it sounded really good then, but now man, that downshift now, Jesus, man, this sounds the nuts. These bikes, I can't tell you how good these bikes are. Well, I don't go too far on this bike. It's been nice enough to let me have a go. So let's turn around. Videos on the other exhaust, on the standard one, on the normal one, check out my channel. But big thanks to Eddie obviously for just letting me have a go of his bike. Very nice that he thought he'd come down here today and let me have a go of it. And exactly how I said on the other video, you're going to want to go up the gears just to go back down the gears. The noise it makes on that downshift, it is so good. Oh, mate. The downshifter now, ain't it like a bang? Yeah, it's wicked. Oh, it's so good. I love it. I've just done that. I said my favourite bike's just got better.
Well, I'm glad you
Right,
enjoyed
yeah,
it.
cheers, thanks, mate.
No worries.
Enjoy. Right, so that's the Terminoni exhaust on the Monster with the baffles out. It is absolutely awesome. It just changes the bike again. My new favourite bike has suddenly got a lot better. The sound on the downshift again is just absolutely awesome. Big thanks to Eddie that let me have a go of his bike and let all you listen to this bike. So yeah, really good day. As always guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If this is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. I was going to say, it's a shame someone don't invent something to wash up for you, but you've got a dishwasher.
I hate washing up.
You like it, seem to
Who
enjoy
does?
it.
Who likes it? No one likes it.
Are you a
Is there
modern...
more sugar?
I filled this up like a day ago.
Now the fucking sugar's gone.
Oh, it's Friday, I filled this up. That was full up.
I think someone's taking it up. Someone's nicking it. Well, there's got to be an inquiry about this.
There will be an inquiry, and all we've got to do is go and ask Darren. What's been a good invention? What's your top 3 inventions?
Flashlight?
A flashlight.
Flashlight?
Flashlight. What's that?
Ask 4p.
What's been good inventions, do you think?
Oh, I don't know.
Your steam train you like? Well, so would that not be one of them?
Yeah.
New mobile phones is a massive thing in life.
Oh, life changing, yeah.
The motorcycle? No? Was that just the engine?
That's a good invention.
Combustion engine.
Yeah, good engine. But when it's over, isn't it, almost?
Yeah, so we're into a new...
We're in the middle of that. We're just about probably seeing the end of it.
We're in the middle, we're in the crossover period of that. Kettle's a good invention, isn't
The
it?
camera is a good invention.
The camera.
As long as it doesn't take the piss out of you, which it seems to with me. I told you a good story the other day.
I know, it was
And
emotional.
I've now found it was ridiculed.
It wasn't ridiculed, people love it. Realistically, it was a heartwarming story.
With a laugh on the end.
Yeah, you got to have a laugh at the end, otherwise, you know,
Have you
what have you got if you ain't got a laugh at the end?
Yeah,
I have to wipe the coffee off.
I hope so.
It's like a child, I've got to wipe the coffee off of there.
It's nothing childish. I don't want coffee in my tea.
You can't taste it, can you?
That's the thing, I know.
No. Should we have a glass of milk now?
Well, yeah, big glass.
Why not?
I'm going to now because I
Do you want one?
Yeah,
Get one.
I love milk. I don't know why I drink tea.
I would have milk. I'd have milkshakes. That's what we should have here, Nesquik.
Like that.
No. Do you have milkshakes?
Yeah, occasionally.
Nesquik or Crusher?
I don't know the difference.
I
I
was in the
don't
bottle.
do them at home. I've had Nesquik as a kid.
Well, as a kid, when you was a kid, you had to fucking ground the fucking
I had
cocoa
milk
beans.
out first.
They had Nesquik when you was a kid.
Yeah, it was just invented then.
Oh, so that was
It
one of the
just
good
come out.
inventions.
That was a good invention. It just come out. Yeah,
Isn't it funny? You drink loads of cow's milk,
yeah.
but if you went into a supermarket and it was breast milk, not many people would have it, would they? Even though it's naturally for you to drink.
What if there was a woman sitting up there squeezing it out?
If you went in and there was a bottle of breast milk,
If I had a choice, no. 'Cause it's weird.
yeah, but surely it should be weirder to think, yeah, I'll drink it from a cow. No?
That'd be a job, wouldn't it? Like fitting the things to
I ain't got no milk, but I've got this milk. Do you want it? It's my own. You go, no, I'll have it black.
I don't know, I might not.
Depends if you had a drink or not. Oh, you wouldn't drink milk after drinking alcohol, would you? Gin.
I have a gin and then I might have a glass of milk later.
Do you?
Not directly after.
But then when I've gone to bed and I've slept for 1 hour, and then I get back up,
That's a full night for you, don't it?
and then I get back up, then I go downstairs, have a fag,
And
then
then-
I'll have a milkshake.
Then you're up. 1 hour, fag. You don't look this refreshed by having no sleep.
Hello, look, Fobbie's here. Look how refreshed he is.
Uh-oh. Now there's a person who looks refreshed all the time.
Yeah.
This is the problem. Every time I come at it, you two are telling each other stories, ghost stories and things like that.
Oh, don't you fucking
Desert
stop.
Island, this
What records would you have on a desert?
Yeah, go on then. Free record.
high jump.
High jump.
It's a record, isn't it? I'd like to be able to jump high.
I ain't gonna make it a long
Musical
run,
songs,
am I?
not records like world records.
Oh, musical songs. Probably be Lucky Man by the Verve.
Lucky Man, the Verve, yeah, good song.
Oh, bloody hell.
See, it's hard.
I know.
Look at him, rolled off the tongue for him, didn't it?
Pink Floyd. Wish you were here.
I wish you were here, like, would you?
And Sailing by Rod Stewart.
Because you're on a desert island. What would yours be today?
Today's choice.
Yeah, let's not have some obscure random things.
Well, you know what I like lately is that one that you played the other day.
What? Watermelon Sugar High?
No, I hate that. I
What? The one I played on the guitar?
the one that Smiley Virus girl's doing.
Oh, you mean Nothing Else Matters, Metallica?
Yeah.
You said I was brilliant live.
You were amazing.
Oh, good, thanks.
Yeah, he plays it, he sings it.
What, do you have like a little show in his bedroom or something like that? Just you
Yeah.
two?
Yeah, so that's you two.
Oh,
What was the
right.
first one again? Watermelon Sugar High?
No, you know it wasn't, and I hate that. I don't like it.
Why don't you like it? What don't you
Because he's fitting too many words into a sentence.
He can't even say it. Go on, sing it. Watermelon Sugar High.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
But does he know what it's about?
I don't care what it's about.
No, you might like it then.
What's it
next?
about? Fingering or something?
Go-
No. I love that song.